Good day everyone. I am Mark Panfilo Maranan from BSIE 2204. So for today, I will be doing our first activity in computer-aided design. So let's start. First, let's locate the point where we will be starting to create our figure. And the coordinates are 1, 1. First type L and then enter. And then type 1, which is our X. And also 1, which is our I, then comma. And then just press enter. Next is the coordinates 4.1 and 1. Just type, first type sharp, then 4.1, comma, 1, comma, enter. The next coordinates are 4.5 and 2.2. Again, type hash, then 4.5, comma, 2.2, comma, and press enter. And then move to the right, and type 2.3, which is the 2.3 is our length, and just press enter again, and okay. And next one, the next line with the length of 1.4 with an angle of 150 degrees. So a semicircle is exactly 180 degrees. All we need to do is get 150. So in order for us to get 150, just first type the length 1.4, then tab, and then click 30 degrees, because 180 minus 30 is 150, and enter. And then upward, the line upward with the length of 2.1, just type 2.1 and then enter. Next one is, this one should be 150 degrees. But first, type 1.6, the length, and then tab. Since 270 minus 120 degrees is equals to 150, we need to type 120 in order for us to get 150 degrees. Enter. And then move to the left, and then type 1.3, its length, and then downward with the length of 1.4, enter. And then here, our angle is supposed to be 45 degrees. So as I said earlier, our semicircle, the semicircle is exactly 180 degrees. So in order for us to get 45 degrees, we need to 180 degrees minus 45 is 135 degrees. So we need first to type the length, which is 2.2, and then press tab, and then type 135 and then enter. On to the next one. Just move to the left straight, then type 1.0, enter, and now move slightly downward. So in this we need 45 degrees. So again, let's type first the length, which is 1.5, and then tab. Just like I said earlier, 180 minus 45 is 135, so we need to type 135 and then enter. And then just move straight to the left side, then type 1.0, enter, and then slightly downward with an angle of 60 degrees. First type 2.3, the length, and then tab, and then type 60 degrees, and then press enter. Then we just need to connect in this end point. Just press escape to cancel the command. So now this is the figure that we created. Now the next part is we need to put the dimensions. You can choose here what dimensions you will use. It depends on in the line if it's straight or like this one. You can also click here to just automatically choose on these choices if it is linear or aligned or angular, etc. If you want an easier one, you can press a shortcut, which is just type dim, then press enter, and just click on the endpoint, and here just make sure you click on the other endpoint of the line. Just click and drag downward. Okay. Next is here to here. Just drag. And here is the next up to this endpoint. Okay, next. Is this one 1.4, then this one with the length of 2.2, then this, just make sure you click exactly at the end point. So that you can find or you can get the dimension properly. press escape to cancel the command, and now we will get the degrees. The degrees of this one, just press again dim, and just select a line, or rather you can type dim and then ang, and then enter. Just select a line, then select the second line. Okay, like this. Just type again DIMANG and enter. Select again the first line, then select the second line. Okay. Select again the first and select the second line. Okay, this. Okay, next. Since we will find 45 degrees, it is not this, which is 135. So you will drag the cursor, okay, like this, so that you can get 45 degrees between this line and the second line. Click this line and the second line, that we can get 60 degrees. Now next we will get the degrees of this one up to here. So let's say we will create a line. Just click here. Let's say it is, the length is 1, then press enter. Then we will get the angle of these two lines so that we can get 120 degrees. So just type again dim ang, enter. Select the first and the second, and we got 120 degrees. And escape to cancel the command. The next one is we need to label the coordinates we use. The first angle is, you can, by the way, you can click here if you want to put a text, or you can just type mul. You can just, then the first one, you can just press enter and click here. Just make a rectangular shape, and then you can type the text here 1, and then the next is here. Just create a rectangular shape. You can put your text inside. Okay, 4.1 and 1. The next one is this one. So this is the last one, which is 4.5 our x, then comma, and then type 2.2 our y. Okay, now we are done in our first activity in CAD. So this is the figure. So guys, thank you for watching, and that's all for today. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.